Have you ever been in a situation where you did something you thought was totally fine, but someone else acted like you committed a cardinal sin? Let me tell you about this one time. So, my friend asked me to house sit for a week. Simple, right? Water the plants, feed the cat. But here's the twist. They have one of those super fancy barista-level coffee machines. I'm talking, it probably costs more than my car. I'm a huge coffee lover, so I thought, hey, a little espresso won't hurt. When they got back, they noticed a few of their special, imported coffee pods were gone, and they completely lost it. They said I took advantage of their hospitality and should have stuck to instant coffee. I offered to replace them, but they're still giving me the cold shoulder. So, what do you think? Was I the Ahole for making a few cups of coffee? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.